So there are important tips while putting eye drops inside your eye. Once you get any eye drop, it has a date of manufacture, which is this June 2023, and there's an expiry date, which is May 2025. What do these dates mean? That this drop can be used till May 2025. However, once you open the bottle, the shelf life of the preservative in any eye drops is only 1 month. So the leaflet in this eye drop will tell you that once you open it, you have to use up the drop within 1 month, or else you will have to discard it. What is the use of this 2025 then? That means that you can keep the bottle closed and open it and use it up to May of 2025. But once you open it, you cannot use it for the next 1 year. It has to be used up within 1 month. That's the first important thing. Next, how do you open the eye drop and put it in the eye? So every eye drop comes sealed and packed. So once you twist the cover, you discard this extra ring that comes with the eye drop. And then every eye drop has this piercing thing in the center of the cap. So you do not need to pierce this eye drop with a safety pin or a needle or anything that could be contaminated. You just take this cap. Once you've removed that ring, you twist it right up to the very bottom, and the pointed thing at the tip of the cap is going to pierce and make an opening in it. Many eye drops come in the form of suspensions, and you need to shake them well before using. While instilling eye drops, you should not open the eye like this. Then the patient is going to squeeze it. You only have to hold the lower lid and instill one eye drop either in this pouch that you see here, or in very small kids, sometimes they are not cooperative. You can just put the eye drop in the inner corner, and once they open the eyes, the drop is going to slide inside. Usually 1 drop is sufficient. If you put 2, 3, there's no harm. There's not enough space, it's going to flow out. Once you put the eye drop, you can close your eye for a couple of seconds. For like half a minute is more than enough time. You don't have to, you can be in the sitting position with your head tilted back, or if you prefer, you can lie down and put the eye drops. But ensure that hands are washed. You're not touching the tip of this nozzle with your fingers, and you're not touching the tip of the nozzle right into the eye also. You have to put the drop from a distance from the eye. I hope these tips are helpful. Ask me for any more if you have doubts.